Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will be covering the 5 best drones on the market. Let's get started. First is the DJI Mini 2. This is a compact and convenient drone that is great for the standard user. At less than 249 grams, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. Thanks to intuitive and advanced features packed in a portable frame, the DJI Mini 2 provides complete freedom wherever and however you want to create. Whether you're shooting at a deserted beach or capturing the details of a fun family reunion, Mini 2 can handle it all. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, DJI Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. It can resist 29 to 38 km/h winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. The DJI Mini 2 is $449. Next is the Parrot Anafi AI. This drone's design was inspired by nature, more specifically, insects. It uses a quad bicolor filter array, where groups of 4 adjacent pixels come in the same color. And its dynamic range is 4 times greater than conventional sensors, featuring a regular biomatrix. Even difficult scenes can be captured with minimal highlight blowout or loss of detail in shadows. It has a flight time of 32 minutes, a top speed of 17 meters per second, and wind resistance of 12.7 meters per second. This professional drone is $7,000. Our next drone is the Skydio 2. With 4K 60 HDR video, the Skydio 2 produces beautiful footage straight out of the drone camera with no need for post-processing. Utilizing 45 megapixels of visual data from 6 200-degree color cameras, Skydio 2 can see in every direction with unprecedented resolution and clarity. You can fly this drone manually or it can fly autonomously. It has the ability to follow you, even if it can't see you. The controller has precision control so you can manually capture the shot you want. With a flight time of 23 minutes, max speed of 36 miles per hour, and 25 miles per hour wind resistance, this drone was made to impress. The Skydio 2 starter kit is $1,349. Up next, we have the DJI Air 2S. Another DJI drone, this one is a bit more advanced than the Mini 2. Featuring a 1-inch CMOS sensor, powerful autonomous functions, and a compact body weighing less than 600 grams, the DJI Air 2S is the ultimate drone for creators on the move. The DJI Air 2S has the ability to perceive its environment in 4 directions: up, down, forward, and backward. It actively avoids obstacles in more complex scenarios and at high speeds. This drone features DJI's most advanced O3 image transmission technology, giving you an ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feed every time you fly. You can get the DJI Air 2S for $999. The last drone on our list is the Holy Stone HS720E. Featuring an electronic image stabilization system and the 4K UHD camera, the HS720E can shoot clear and vivid photos and videos. It has 4K pixels capturing consistent details and color as the original scenery show. Both the photos and videos you take are clearer than ever, resulting in larger picture sizes and allowing more creative post-editing. With GPS positioning and optical flow positioning, the HS720E provides stable flight and hovers accurately whether outdoors or indoors, making it easy to control and safe to use. The HS720E comes with 2 batteries supplying up to 46 minutes of flight time, giving you more time to capture that perfect image and explore the world around you. With just a few taps in the app, your drone can follow your steps, auto-fly in a preset route, circle a point of interest, and return to home. This is the most affordable drone on our list, coming in at $339.99. And that is all. Those are the 5 best drones on the market. What did you guys think of these drones? Which one would you buy? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.